Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to do a what I eat in a day video because I have not done one of these videos in such a long time and it has actually been requested. I've gotten a few comments lately and a few DMs on Instagram as well if I could bring back these videos. So I thought today I'm just going to give it a try and film another one of these for you guys. And yeah, I just filmed my breakfast this morning, so I'm going to share that with you now.
Strawberries and scones and custard and then that's what you cook. But Mummy, what will you have?
I'm having egg with toast.
Oh, can I have some?
Yes.
I mean, no.
Good morning. So I just finished making my breakfast. The boys have finished eating. They just had some cereal and some scones, and I'm going to have a dippy egg with toast, which I'm going to show you now. So here's my breakfast this morning. So I've got soft-boiled egg, I've got toast with butter, and then my coffee, of course, and I'll have some raspberries on the side as well. And that's, yeah, it's just such a quick and easy breakfast. And I feel like at least lately I kind of prefer having like a savory breakfast rather than a sweet one. I kind of have both, so I mix them up, but yeah, I've been kind of going for savory breakfast instead. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and then Victor's off to preschool this morning. My avocado?
Yeah.
Alright, have a fun day. Love you.
Do you want to take your cozy in the car?
Yeah.
Bye. I love Papa. Okay, so the boys have just left for preschool. So I have finished my breakfast and I'm just going to take my coffee upstairs and I'm going to get ready for the day because I'm filming today. So I'm filming this video and I'm filming another video as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready now. Okay guys, excuse the noise. I've got the dryer on, but it's 11 a.m. and I'm just going to have a quick snack because I usually have lunch after Victor comes home, so around 12:30. So before I go pick him up, I really need to have a snack because I'm so hungry. So we actually just got our grease box in the mail. This is not sponsored, by the way, we just get these once in a while. So we got this one this week and I am excited to see what's inside because I like having quick snacks like these. So we've got cherry flapjack. The flapjacks are really good from them, I always like them. Then these are sweet chili peanuts, broad beans and edamame beans. So just a combo of beans in here, which I like these as well. Ooh, Jaffa cake with Belgian dark chocolate and hazelnuts. Yeah, this looks pretty good as well. And then I've also got smoky barbecue crunch peas, corn chips and chili corn. I think I'm going to have some of these. I'm craving something salty, so not too sweet. So I am just going to snack on some of these. Then I'm going to go pick up a Victor soon and then have a proper lunch after that.
Play with Eva and his friend and Seb.
With who?
With Eva and his friend and Seb.
Eva and Seb.
And Seb?
Yeah, and his friend. That's what. And I tend to be cats.
You pretended to be a cat?
Yeah. And it's Eva.
You having some pasta, boys?
Mm-hmm.
Thanks for the orange pasta, Mommy.
You're welcome. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Thank you for the pasta, Mommy.
Yours is just leftover.
Really tasty.
Leftovers from last night for you. Someone's hungry.
Who's that for, Mommy? Yeah.
It's just for me.
It's for me?
What?
Is that coming for me?
The camera?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm afraid we can't play with that.
Well, I only have a little picture. Right? There's one picture and then you can have.
You want to take one picture?
Yeah.
Okay, after you finish eating, okay?
Sure.
Victor, have you noticed that I cut my hair?
Yeah.
Look, Daddy got his hair.
Is my hair shorter?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Good.
You look cute.
So this I'm just eating.
Okay.
Alright.
Hello.
Hello. So ready?
Yes. You taking a picture?
Yeah.
Should I make a happy face or a sad face?
A sad
A
face.
sad face.
Yeah. Now say cheese
Cheese.
and make a smiley face.
I am making a smiley face.
Cheese. Well done.
Thank you. Okay, all finished?
Yeah. Here it
Thank
goes.
you. There, what happened? What happened?
I don't know.
Can you show me how you hoover? Okay, so I'm just making my lunch now. I've got 2 slices of toast. I'm going to use some butter or like spreadable, I guess. And then I've got some roast ham from Tesco. This is really, really good. And then I've got mature cheddar, some sliced pickles, and then some mustard as well. And that's going to be my lunch for today. I can't do it. I can't do it because it's wet. Can you? I'm a strong, independent woman.
You loosened it up.
Exactly.
Every single day, this is the way we wash our germs, wash our germs, wash our germs. This is the way we wash our germs. Every single day, this is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands every single day. Look, Mommy, this is a whirling pool.
Is it? Okay. What are you doing, boys?
We're making something, Mommy.
You're making something.
Then, we make it like this.
Do you like your magnet tiles?
Yeah, and this one like this. See?
Look.
No, it's like a ghost car.
It's a ghost car.
What's that, you made?
It's a tower.
Is it a monster? Or is it the monster truck that has been laid the frogs on the
Yes.
ground?
Yes.
Okay guys, so I'm just getting started on dinner. It's 4 p.m. so I like to start dinner now because we actually eat at around 5 p.m. so we eat dinner quite early. Now let me know in the comments below what time do you guys usually eat your dinner. It's really interesting. I asked this on Instagram as well, and it was kind of split half and half. Some people have it really early, like 5 p.m, even 4 p.m, some people said, or 6 p.m, and then some people have it really late, like 8 or 9. So yeah, not that there's anything right or wrong with either of those, but I'm going to make the breaded chicken. If you saw my other video, I'm actually not sure if that one's going to go up before this one or after the video where I shared our grocery shop for the week, where I also show you my meal plan for the week. I mentioned that I'm going to make a schnitzel, so kind of like breaded chicken basically, with, I think I'm going to make mash on the side and just a salad. So I'll show you what I've got for that. So just chicken breast mini fillets for obviously the breaded chicken. I've got some eggs. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all of these. I'm going to have to see. Then I've got potatoes for the mash, and then some classic crispy salad. I think I'm going to do about half of this, and then half will be for another dinner. For the breaded chicken, I use eggs, flour, and a bit of breadcrumbs as well. And I've got salt, pepper, and olive oil. So that's what I'm going to use today. I think first thing that I'm going to do is put on water in here to boil so that I can get the potatoes started. So I'm just going to chop the potatoes, put water on the hob, so waiting for that to boil. But I just thought I would have a chat because I feel like I've not done a vlog like this in quite a while. I do usually do kind of updates on Instagram stories, so if you don't follow me there, I do kind of update you sometimes on what we're up to. Yeah, and apologies for the noise. Obviously I've got appliances going on here, but I just wanted to kind of chat to you a bit. Victor goes to nursery, or I guess preschool, during the week, so he goes just mornings until around noon. And he actually started a new term now that it's September, and the thing is, now a lot of the children that he used to have like friends at nursery have left because they've started school, like big boy school, and so they've got new children coming in that are really little, and he's now one of the oldest ones at nursery because as he was born in October, he starts school, like proper school, a bit later than other kids, which is absolutely fine. But yeah, now he's one of the oldest, if not the oldest one at his preschool at the moment. And they used to tell me last year when he first started that he was a bit shy, like he wasn't really that comfortable in the beginning, and he wasn't really chatting that much there. I'm trying to be not too loud so he can't hear me. Yeah, but they were saying how he's not super chatty. Obviously they were not really concerned about it because he does talk at home a lot, but yeah, obviously he wasn't like the most comfortable there, and I think that's to be expected after the year that we've had with the pandemic and everything. It's like, you know, quite a big chunk of their lives being spent in this pandemic with, you know, all the restrictions and everything going on. So I kind of understand why they feel like that. And so that was last year, and I'm just going to start chopping the potatoes now. I just peeled them, and so now that he's the oldest one, or one of the oldest ones in his preschool, it's funny, the teachers have been telling me for the past like a couple of weeks since he started back, that he is super chatty. They said he just doesn't stop talking. So obviously he's, you know, really enjoying it now, and he's more comfortable there, and it just makes me so happy because obviously you worry as moms, parents, you always worry, you know, if they're having fun, if they're making friends, if they're enjoying themselves. So I'm just so happy that he's, you know, feeling more comfortable and being chatty there. And he tells me all about his best friends at nursery, so it's really sweet. I guess my point with all of this, if your kids have recently started nursery or school or preschool or whatever, you know, just give them time, because it does take time for them to get used to it. Like, it's a big adjustment, and it can take quite, you know, a long time, like months or even a year, for them to get comfortable, and that's absolutely fine. So if you've just started and you're having rough mornings, like with the drop-offs, I totally know that feeling, and I just promise you it will get better. So yeah, just thought I would mention that. But I'm just so happy that he's doing, you know, better, that he's more chatty and more comfortable there. It just makes me really happy to hear that. And yeah, he's only got 1 year left, and then he goes to big boy school, and I am not ready for that. Like, I'm pretty sure he will be so excited after he gets used to it there as well. But we've started looking at schools in our area. I kind of had an idea beforehand anyway, but we've booked a few tours. I've booked 2 schools to go to because they've got actual tours in person, because I think last year they only did virtual tours. So this year you can go in person to see the schools, which is really nice. So I've booked 2 of them, which will go in like a couple of weeks. And I'm excited to see the schools, but at the same time, the whole thing makes me a bit nervous. I guess any type of change like that is, you know, it's a big milestone for them as well. So, okay, I've just chopped my potatoes. I'm going to pop them in the water now, which is, I think it's starting to boil soon. Okay, so this is how I make the breaded chicken. I've got the chicken breast, which I've kind of flattened out. I've put salt and pepper on it. Then here I've got the flour and some breadcrumbs. And then here I've got the 3 eggs with paprika and a bit of salt. So this is my kind of assembly line. I'm going to put the chicken in the flour and then in the egg mix and then in the pan. The chicken is done. I've got here the boiled potatoes. I've put a bit of butter in there. Some salt, and I've got hot milk in here. I just heated it up in the microwave. This is a trick I learned from my mom. Hi mom, if you're watching, I miss you. She often watches my videos and she leaves comments on them too. So yeah, I'm just going to put some hot milk in there. This is a trick I learned from her to make the mash taste a bit better, and just gonna make it a bit fluffier, I think. So I'm going to pour a bit of milk in here, and then I'm going to blend it up using, or like mix it up using my hand mixer. You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Don't eat before I take a video. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking.
Now I have a picture. Daddy,
Hello.
I'm gonna say cheese. Cheese.
So that's our dinner done, and then for the salad I used that dressing that you just saw. And Victor's also got some mini pizzas on his plate just in case, but I think he should like the chicken.
Should we get you a little fork so you can eat the schnitzel?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Hey, you said hungry.
I am hungry.
And relax. It's the end of the day. Just finished kind of tidying up after dinner. The dinner was really good. Victor actually ate almost an entire like schnitzel, like breaded chicken. So that was good. And then he kind of tasted a bit of everything else. So he really liked it. And yeah, it is pudding time now. So I'm just going to have one of these for pudding. It's a good dessert. This is the chocolate brownies one. It's like those hot puds chocolate brownies. So it looks like this, and then you just kind of pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds and it's really good. So that's what I'm going to have, just kind of as a treat. Oh, and I'm watching at the moment, so I'm going to have this for pudding, and I'm going to watch This Is Us. I've been watching that. I think it's on, is it on Amazon Prime? I think so. I don't think it's on Netflix. So that's what I'm watching at the moment. This is so good. I'm really enjoying the story. It's a bit emotional at times, but it's such a good story. I highly recommend it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys are watching, either on Netflix or Amazon or whatever. So yeah, leave me all of your recommendations, because I think I only have 1 season left of This Is Us, and then that's it. So I'm not sure what I'm going to watch next. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.